beli pi barok syakatup Khubor jengi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san mentah ke sengi kilong. Ladon jingpu ke sorkar Jylla ban pinken dia ke CRPF camp. Wat knyak tan ni kisamla hakin ro ong uba dandi. Yo surok ke Shillong kli umwang lingba ke kong Ibalani. Bat pin isap ke St. Paul's High Secondary School da ke Jylla Children's Day. Bat mentangin pa syaki Khubor bakam banyak. Kesorkar Jylla kadang ap ye kejing menjur naka Ministry of Home Affairs ban pinkin ria ye ke CRPF camp ke badan hamaulai nongkwar ke baladan South Snem. Habakren ha kejing elang ke belalong ha khat South Trik Unaiwing arjar arpuar ke belalong ha CRPF camp Menteri Rangba Ukonrat ke Sangma uloong ban naka liang jong kesorkar ke don jing temu ban ken ria no ye ke CRPF camp ke badan hamaulai nongkwar syamau pedang Henry kesorkar kadang ap ye kejing menjur naka Ministry of Home Affairs. Hakini kesengi ba Menteri Rangba ulit jirip ladon langu MDC ke Maulai Constituency uba Tebor Pathau kirang ba Shnong Maulai UDGP URL Bishnoi Inspector General CRPF Sonal Mishra bat kiwe.
The CRPF presence is there and they are in all different locations scattered, all in temporary locations, all in very dilapidated conditions, and even CRPF is in a way facing a lot of challenges and difficulties because the living conditions in these camps also are not that good. So hence, it made a lot of sense to then finally figure out on how we could give a permanent location, and then we would construct, and of course CRPF would construct a proper camp and proper stay and barracks and everything for their manpower, which would be of course something that would be a win-win situation for them. And at the same time, the shifting of the camps from these locations would then allow the government to take up more different kind of important social activities, cultural activities, youth-related activities in those localities where the camps are present and utilize those lands for different kind of productive purposes for the state and the people.
Haka khat South Trik Unaiwing ke Sardar Police Station ke lakot Hajirio President Rangba keseng FKJGP uba dandi Cliff Kongsit. Katai ke jingkot hajir jenggi pulit yau tei nongyalam ke long halor ke jingja ke balami ke jing kulmar bat ha ke balami ru ke jing syok yadat na ke jing yai rali ke balalong ha ke arpu pratarik risau ke balakot penlong de keseng halor ke jing kerduk kam kerduk jam jong kisamla. Habakrench kilat pathai Khubor hadin balami na Sardar Police Station uba dan diu ulai thu banakaliang ki pulit kila pengat yu hadu nyau teli ki kendon an. Shushu ulai thu ru dak bamaham shi ke sorkar bat ki pulit bawat knyot than ni ki samla haken ro namar lada pinyat than kimban se ban pai kmat shakaway pat ka benta. Uni unongelam ula kenturu ikinongelam keseng bekim day ban shepting Henry ki day ban nangs kem triang hala ka jong kanong rim. Hakate ke jing syak khot hajir lawan senran lang dagi paungut ki khot ke seng FKJGP.
Ya, dia kan ni ke ba kan oi paro persna jong iru. Ba amdei ban sapreng kai ka rumah ri kum kitu jai video dawa cho ke jing tip kai. Ke issue si khamtam me bari ka kani ke jing kamyo jam ka di ka ka burning issues mun chekran no menta. Te hnrei nakaleng ka seng ni syukwa ban wara khmat jong sarkar bakan pejlam ya kani ke benta bakan simkhia kumnu ban thau kilat kelenti mo ban tha ban thau kilat kelenti ban plelat ikna samla ka jongi lada de kam sarkar ne kam la jong den re dak sarkar kalong kuman te nga thai dengi pelong no program ngimtip kai ka banja namar baki kena samla kam balong manta kilong very much frustrated kai pan sinang ka seng dang bon ki bang hab le pelong public meeting keleng hamala ki district de hadin ki wat ki pocket meeting ru akisnong ki thau ngin lom ikon samla wat nakaleng kaseng ru umdei ngindon la ka jong ka program bangin ngin pelong nam ta ki youth hapo ka office rekam jong kaseng ru namar ya ka office rekam jong kaseng lasna khanang ru nam ta ka shleman sendor ki khon samla
Khubor penyat Shnong kli umwang kila penpawi ke jing sngongu ya ka kong Ibalani Kharbani kabla kloi ban yarap ban penti ya ke surok kali ban poi syakate ke Shnong kejing bom don ke surok kali ke babiang ban kit ban ba ikimar ki mata bat khamtam ha kapang ke shitom kelawan ra shibun ke jing jenjar ki nong shong Shnong bat kumju ru na ke benta ki kunrit ki badai ban net shi ke jaka puli jengki Da ka jingkermen ka shnong kli umwang lingba ka jingkerpat jong ka village organization kala phai ka kong kharbani bat ka te ka long kami klempen slem kala kner ki kti jingerap na ka benta ka jingdon kam ki pai pa nong shong shnong. Khubor shnong kila pen pawe ka jing sngongo ka bakrau ka kong ibalani kharbani namar kala shimkhia klem da kan tat ka jingdon kam jong ki pai pa ki ba ki juya kendu.
Apa jongi cubu ladangi ki kente habangi ya cepo hospital ngelik hospital ngi resep deki kali hadu kat no kecing kabai kali ngi basni usurok te khamtam ki ba armet kat ban poi ka jaka ke hospital ikun la hap sedang lenti te khamtam ki bapang bastom ru sedang lenti ila khat ila yap iti klung nomor ba la palat kapor ban yo sumar nagi doktor te bat kacing kublei kong ibalini ibalas ngolem hadu kata-kata bangi melak hiru ban keliat ya kecing baha kacung bat ngimlak hiru ban keliat ya kajing don kti kacung ban isen ngikum kawi tane usurok shnong ujongi ubangi yat bangi yang man kasni bangi im katre kabla kajongi kilong kimi kilong pa kibayat kibayang kumju ki nak school kibayat uni lenti ha kajing yak lenti kacung ki don kapor ka ba kimlap ya ki school ru bat don hapdeng kajing thak sam ki jabe daga ksat mar ki kali kelas slip bat ki yam no isteng lenti kimla ban kiu yang surok ba sniu
Ka St. Paul's High Secondary School Nongpo menta kasngi ka khat saw tarik naiwi kala rakhe pendon buram ya kasngi kerpang ki khna lani ka Children's Day kasngi kha jong Prime Minister baning kong du kari India Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ubadeiru ubaju 8 bat sngotanat ki khna hakani kasngi lawan ru ban chimenta do ba mural bonds aim Emily ka Nongpo ko mukongsan haka jinga don lang ba CBCM XCM ka KHADC ba Opel Lingdo rang ba snong mauro Father Peter's Emle, Parish Priest Kanongpo Parish, Sister Angelina Marak, Principal ka St. Paul's High Secondary School, Kinong Hikay, ki Khna School, bat kiwe kiri rangpa. Hakani kasngi nakaliang ki Khna School, kilapin inam bat deru ikitiar shnakti arts and crafts, ban penpau perthai kasap kabakidon na lor kapuli puthi, bat kumju ru ka jingshet ikijing bam bapher. Kum kajing don benta lang bat ketika school nakaliang ba mural bonds mulai ti daka check ka basilak sanpau hajar tingka bakum ka school kanyo banthit computer hadin kajing kerpat jeng kinong yalam ketika school.
Everybody want to be a star. Somebody want to be a rock star, somebody want to be a football star, somebody want to be a star in his studies. But I'll tell you student, very important message to each and every one of you. That star does not shine because they want to be seen, but they shine because they are the stars. You are the stars of your own. It's not that you just want to be seen by someone, but it has to be from deep inside your heart that you are a born star. You are born to be a star. No matter what, difficulties, ups and downs, thick and thin, you have to be prepared.
No kam ubak chorus Marwin kum secretary in charge ke MPCC Nongpo constituency. Menta kasngi ka khat saw tarik unai wing ubak chorus Marwin ubalong uway ni kinong yele kai boxing bapau bha ka Jylla ubalabat ru kum secretary in charge jong ke MPCC badai pe ka Nongpo constituency menta kasngi ulawan ban IT ka shithi no kam jong u nakakam secretary ha Congress Raj Bhavan. Habukren cikilat pathai Khubor utay rang ba ulay thu bakadaw bala pelong ye uban ino kam kadai nakadaw ka jingbam patiaw jong kipara nongelam bat ka jingbam don ka jingatarilang hapdeng kipara nongelam. Shushu habala kli diklat pathai Khubor ba siya kan yalam kalinti u haba ula ino ba siya kan yalam kalinti u haba ula kam utay nongelam ulay thu ba unhapan phai biang siya kam boxing ka ba ujule menchwa.
Yang ke parti kongres le kibar don ha pon konstitusi la sune glek be ki undon si uba keli undon si uba kanjo yanongin ai tiket kumnongin ai tiket la sino lagi no kumtu but dei halo kata kan rem hik pa ngaro nga sno shinjing ya kan so don jimu su undon ijum kam udon jikernan ran job yang ban wan bang for district di pa ngadi e ba kores be politician nado di pol bale di boya kura nga pau per thai ndi politician nga pau per thai we nag bala no sinya haseng haka imlang salang ka bay kurang dei ngam purom ya ka parti ngai ka parti deh lo kita kanogem nga pediang ke jingkel pat juk MPC bahkan thungnya kom sekretari jong ke MPC ban in charge kan ko konstitusi ban lum ban lang biang ke parti henry haba gila ai ta kalung kor ban kit ya ta kalung kor rei khause kom don pat ka jing ya trilang lane ka jing burom lang eki grassroots
Kakam Meghalaya kala pelat pat ba ek thup ruai yakun election ba kajing trilang kajing ruai jeng ki pat ba long shong snong ka ba kerteng kakam kan yalam kini kajing ruai kami nak thwei berkhat ki pat ba long shong snong ki ba yakun ba 3 minute man la kasngi bat kajing yakun nak benta ka senchar hok ka bishar hok bat ka trikam ka bashai bat ai jing ken kani ka jingruai ka dei ru ban ai min sim yi ki laingut ki candidate jong ka kam ki ban yakun ha ka election arjar arpulai kita kilong ka kong Angela rungat South Shillong ba wan penhun Carson Town East Shillong bat pastor kersoibor pertu North Shillong ka kam bat ki candidate jong ka ki yeng ha kanong rim jong ka hok ka jingalong mar ringkat bat ka buram mar keliang ya kini ka jingruai la pelat pat ba menta ka sngi de mirat peril Carson Town belakot kendai pu ars nem karta bat ikong emi rungat ibala prap host nem karta kat ba uba compare mark swear ubala tho ekini ke jingruai ula ai ke jingkren lingkot halor ka kam kanyalam bat ka don ke jingkermen ha ka jinge terilang ha ka linti ka hok ka shikentin ka kam ka de ka kintin ka bakit ya ka juk ka jingmut ha ka kitin khasi garu hindi bengali bat ka de ka jingruai ka bemi ne ki pat ba bat ka de ru na ka benta ki pat ba nong shong snong kakam kadi ka rinsan san hima kabadon kinongrim ki bas kem bat bashai.
So Kakam Kanyalam is an anthem of solidarity for the people, a song that came together with the collaboration and contribution, I must say, of several people, several artists, talented people who contributed words, who contributed music, who contributed their voice to bring this anthem alive. And we dedicate this anthem to the people of our state. We know that the state is going through a crisis, but we also know that there's always hope. And together we can come together. And this is what the song is urging all of us to do. That we need to reflect what has gone wrong, and then we need to buckle up, come together, and bring that reversal that is required. And we hope that this song will be something that outlives us, that outlives this election, and that is something that people will hum along when they're feeling down, when they're feeling happy, and something that they will carry with them, you know. And we don't really want it to be seen as just an election song, because it is not. It is a reflection about our society, about our state, and it is an anthem, a dedication to the people of the state.
Kajingking duar kesut kedon mentah kajing sator kabalabu ia kalit kawan ki kali ha kajing ma kabakraw lada maramot bat penskem nok mardor ya ka ki engineer ka National Highway Authority of India ringkat bat katanat Public Works Department PWD jong ka sarkar Jylla ki bakentup yu Anand Singh Chauhan Project Director ba Ezekiel Lingdo Superintendent Engineer PWD ba Rimpang Kharkongor Executive Engineer Umsning Division ki lelit banjirip ya kani kajingking ha ka khat saw tarik naibing lamanai kitrok kitmar kitmata ban kit sting shpauton habayat lingbai kini kejingking hakini kisngi
nga nagalang umurang masnong jene kasnong mro nora den ba ngilayo ikini ke jingja nadu men nen kisngi ya ka bakal don ni ka jingtua abade ba ni ka jingking rock sun abade jong ni ka jingking jong ka NSC de ba jong ka porot layo ban pentre ya ni ka jingking ke betmai na kini ki company bat ba halin bang layo i gini jing tray bala ya sai bang i pan nen ya ka jing tua jong te ka jingking ka no ngidap da ka jing susi ka bakraw na ka lang jong snong ro namar ene ka lakta sha bat ni kong kan kata ro ya ka snong ka jungi ngene bat ka baaro kan kata pade ya ka jelah hibro koi bat ya kistit ki basabaro ki bayak lengba na kane kimba si postal char Mizoram tarter de ke gabon on nakaliang gajing king kisnong bangi kitu bangi tepat ro ya ka pidudi bakade ban pet lang hangne kana ba kanumdan kana no gajing bat nakaliang joka company ro bakala day ban pentrei no akabai de ban pen scam ni ketika jingking ke belah tua ban thaulat de kino kilenti na kamenta ka jingbet ka jingbiang bat namta ka singan ka jingsong singan po jongene ka jingking ki bayai lingba jongene wat ada ayat ki kaliret ro menta ka lasong seir habai de bat kene ka jingking menta de kumbang liyo jing tip menta apa de bat ki trok hi ban yat lingba jongene ka jingking ya menta hilapan sange de bat ki kaliret ro habai yat lingba jongene ka jingking kin habiat apa yang jong ka jingsong seir de na takarau na kaliang ka jingim ka snong ikan tu ya ka nai bat ikan ni company hero bat dai pe bat betreh ne bakal de ban ai no de kino kilat jingeda ban yada nam ta tu ji ciki khang ban laj no jima jima sau
bat da kitu ki khubor ngila poi shakabakut tat hadu beng de syambiang khoble shibon